Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we got a different type of video today, a hands-on type video. As promised, I said when my original copies of Mystery of the Ages came, I'd make video about it. So here it is, I'm delivering. So I made a little note card below each copy, and rather than tell you about the differences like I did in part 1, today I can show you. So let's take our 1985 original GANGSTAS. These are all original 1985 versions. The first two are, well, first off, let me show you. If you notice, right there, copyright 1985, Worldwide Church of God. Same for the second book here. Right there, copyright 1985 by Worldwide Church of God. And this, the Big Daddy OG, hardcover edition, and this is in such great shape. It just came in the mail today. I got it from Australia. The sleeve, well, look at how it looks like without the sleeve, just to show you it is an original, and it's beautiful. It's in great condition. There's no markings, no one wrote in it. It's like it was preserved just in time for me. So if you notice right here, copyright 1985, Worldwide Church of God. So I don't know how clear you can see that, but this is the original with the hardcover. The sleeve's pretty roughed up, but who cares? It's an original. So I look forward to reading it. And if you notice, let's compare the size difference. This is the size of the hardcover, and this is the size of the softcover edition. There, so we can see it's soft cover is bigger this way, bigger this way, but both have the gold foil lettering. That's beautiful when it reflects in the light. So these are the originals, the OGs. So these, again, were its original printing in 1985. Then Mr. Armstrong died in 1986, and the church began suppressing. Well, not right away. So then in 1997, I don't know if that helped you, but in the year 1997, that's when the group called the Philadelphia Church of God decided to reprint Mystery of the Ages. But this is a soft cover. See how it can bend? But the thing is, this soft cover from 1997 is much larger than the soft cover from 1985. Notice the size difference. There we go. Because this soft cover from 1997 mimicked the size of the hardcover from 1985. See how they're about the same size? Hardcover is just a little bit bigger. But you can tell it's a reprint because the letters aren't glossy, they don't glow. And then also how you know it's the reprint is if you look in the copyright page, it says copyright 1985 by Herbert W. Armstrong. And that's the only thing changed here. The parts about God's prophets not being over God's church in the New Testament are in this 1997 called the Softback Pirate Edition. And then there was a 6-year court battle over this copy, the 97 Pirate reprint, that lasted 6 years until the year 2003. So the editions of Mystery of the Ages from 2003 to 2021 have the part about no prophet being over God's church pulled out of chapter 6 and chapter 7 of this book, Mystery of the Ages. So you notice the copyright here, copyright 1985, and then 2009, not worldwide, but the Philadelphia Church of God. So from 2003 onward, every reprint, the statement about God's prophet, or a prophet not being over God's church, is in there. I've had this copy a while, and this copy, notice how it isn't even purple anymore. It's like a dark navy blue maybe. It's so it's cool to have all of these editions of Mystery of the Ages. The original 1985 edition, the bottom, the 2 soft covers, the 97 edition, and then the 2003 onward edition, because it's history. I'm curious as to the size of the 1985 original to the 2009. It's thicker, The 1985 is definitely thicker. It's about the same size horizontally and vertically though, but yeah, it's just thicker. So I hope you enjoyed this video and that you got more out of it. Again, this is the 2003. Well, this particular one is 2009 when I requested it. But from 2003 to 2020, that's the edited editions where they edited out the part about the prophet not being over God's church, but they kept Herbert Armstrong's name in it. This, where's my 97 edition, 1997 soft cover, but remember this soft cover mimics the size of the hardback 1985 because it's significantly bigger than the soft cover editions. And this is a piece of history because it is this reprint that got the Philadelphia Church of God sued by the Worldwide Church of God, because when Mr. Armstrong died, the Worldwide Church of God did their best to suppress this book. So that was the 1997 edition. And again, we got our two soft covers from 1985. Oh, that beautiful gold foil lettering. What wonderful. They're both in good condition. This one has a little bit of spots on the edge of the book. This one don't really have anything wrong with it. And again, these are original GANGSTAS 1985. And Big Daddy OG, this hardcover edition, like I said, it came today, and I can't wait to go through and read it. And I know I'll get more out of it this time than ever. And I hope that you appreciate this book Mr. Armstrong wrote more than ever after watching these series and giving you not only telling you, but in this edition showing you the different versions of the book. So I'm sure if you would like an original, you can find one on eBay for a decent price and in great condition. So thank you for watching, and be sure to tell other people interested in what the Bible says about this book, Mystery of the Ages. Because if this book wasn't important, Satan wouldn't have fought a 6-year court battle to keep it out of print.